Welcome back, guys. So today in the mail I got a special package and I am going to see what's inside. Alright, so let's see what's inside. So here we have two Power DeWise microphones. To use these, you plug the cord into your phone. Then you can use the cord and either put it on your shirt and clip it right here or just clip it on. These are great microphones for videoing with your cell phone. Also, you can use them for vlogging. Inside the box, once you pull it out, you get this nice little traveling case and a nice little easy way to set it up. You also get a Power DeWise company card, a screen and lens cleaner, and a user manual. So inside the traveling case, you have the splitter for both microphones. You have the one extension cord. You have one of the microphones, another extension cord, another microphone, and one more extension cord. This is all the stuff you get inside the box. Here you have an extra long extension cord, 72 inches. This is a 52-inch extension cord. This is the splitter, so you can connect both mics at once. This is one of the microphones, and this is the other microphone. And here you have just another little audio 3.5mm jack to that, and then some extra foam tips. So now we're going to do a test with and without the microphone. So this is with the microphone. This is without the microphone. With the microphone. Without the microphone. This is with the microphone from a good ways away. This is without the microphone from far away. With the microphone. This is without the microphone from far away. If you do pick these up, which there'll be a link in the description below, make sure you have a Lightning to 3.5mm headphone jack for phones that do not have headphone jacks anymore. Overall, this is a great purchase if you're in need of a microphone for videotaping with your phone. These only cost $33 on Amazon, and I would highly recommend picking these up if you need them. Alright, so I think now we have reached to the end of this video. Make sure you drop down below and hit that subscribe button, and don't forget to turn on post notifications so you know when I post. Thanks for watching, and remember, always be a Rye Helfer.